So out here with Aidan this trip, so it's been a while since I've done a hiking trip with someone else, so this will be kind of cool. You know, he's younger than I am, fitter than I am, and does grander adventures than I do, but you know, I'm gonna school him up on how to do stuff. It's his first time in this part of the Morton National Park, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's gonna be a good trip. He has his own YouTube channel as well, so you should check that out because he does some pretty awesome stuff. So if there's ever one place you want to hike in the wet, Budawangs is probably it. So many caves and stuff in here, so it means that even though it's going to be potentially a wet and miserable day, by the end of the day you should be able to like hole up somewhere nice and dry. So that's actually pretty cool, and it's a bit unique. You don't always get that in a lot of places. So yeah, so I guess it's a good wet weather hiking option. It's kind of cool though, checking out places in different light as well, different experience. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Morning, sun is shining today, so there's views, which is actually nice. It's a little bit, yeah, it was really poor visibility yesterday walking past mountains and through valleys and just have no idea what's there. So, you know, it's actually nice that Aidan can be able to see something today. I haven't dragged him out for no reason. So yes, it's pretty cool. So we're going to head off and see if we can get to the top of one of the mountains out here. It's kind of like new territory, so it'd be pretty cool if we can find a way. So we've left the camp packed up, we've left the camp set up, and just going to go for a bit of an explore. See how we go. Should be a good day. So this is really cool. This overhang just keeps going and going and going, and then this way as well. It's really cool. It's nice to have a bit of easy walking for a change. That's nice. This is awesome. It's really, really cool.
like that quick line. You can't even see it. You can barely see it.
Alright, so we found a couple passes up the other mountain that were too mossy and too wet, and so I guess the risk factor was a bit high, so we've backtracked and exploring somewhere else. So see how we go here. Pretty nice views up here though, pretty nice views. Wow, it's pretty amazing. Couldn't see a thing yesterday. Today, top of a mountain, and it's like 360-degree views up here. It's awesome. So cool. So many views, so many views. Alright, so we've crossed the mountains, back on more of the main tracks now. So yeah, majority of the hard yards done now, which is pretty cool. It's so awesome to get on top of one of those mountains, like, you know, yeah, absolutely amazing views. Really keen to go back there and explore it further. So now that I've found a way on top, so that's pretty awesome. Still don't have much of a plan for the rest of the day. We're just gonna wing it and see how far we get. make up our mind from there. But I mean, love this area. I mean, look at those views. It's awesome. Yeah, so cool. So it's pretty crazy to think that we walked right through here. All these amazing rocks and cliffs and all that sort of stuff. Didn't see a single thing. It was like you could only see this tiny bubble around us. So it's actually pretty nice to be walking back this way and, you know, Aidan to be able to see something, because it's a pretty special spot, pretty beautiful part of the world. Alrighty, so we packed up camp. It's a beautiful overcast day today, which is nice. We can see the views, that's good. So we just walk back out the way we came because we'll actually see something this time, which would be nice. Nice not to hike in the bubble, but to be good. It's pretty straightforward from here. I think, you know, maybe about, I don't know, let's say 13 k's back to the car or something. Should be pretty crazy. Finito, the end. Last hill, finishing up the inaugural escapeaidan invitational bushwalk. Awesome trip, you know, some varied conditions, varied terrain. I was a little bit surprised at how Aidan struggled to keep up. It's not what I anticipated from a young, fit whippersnapper. But, you know, I think it's revenge. He'll probably likely slow down the footage of me in his video. But, you know, we all know the truth. We all know the truth. But, yeah, thanks for tagging along. And, you know, hit like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. I'd include Aidan in the shot, but he's too far behind. So, we'll just leave it there. Ciao.